So, the OEX cookset, what do I honestly think? Well, I've had this for about, I must say about a year and a half or so. Now, just to disclaim, not sponsored by anybody. I give an honest opinion. So, what I'd say about this is it served me well. I'd have to say that for a frying pan for the cook set, that's a little small for my liking, but then it sits on the set ever so well, he says. It does sit on the set ever so well. Now, what I will say in there is I burnt the bottom here, but that's my own fault. I put rice in there, so a little thing to be aware of, and didn't put the water in there, burnt the bottom, and it's been a little bit hard to get off. It's not really caused a problem, but it's just a thing you need to be aware of. It's got the base there, acts a bit like a jet boil, obviously not as effective. Couldn't use it on any fire. It's not designed for that sort of thing. It's designed more for gas and camping in general. The bag is a little bit to be desired. The thing is, when I put the thing in the bag, the lid never stays up. It tends to be like that, and then I have to put it back. So that's annoying. But yeah, it served me well. Good for curries. Put a curry in there. Very good to put a stew in there. Seems to get really hot really quickly without any burning, other than that I mentioned, but that's my own fault. But just be aware of it. Bit of water. So I'll show you in a minute what it's like. Simple boiling the bag rice. But I'll leave it on for about, I don't know, 18 minutes. Put the lid on, and off she jolly well goes. See, it's designed for gas, but there we go, simple as that. Lid on, and off she pops. And I believe that still will do well. Heat comes through the bottom quite well. No problem with that. And it can warm up quite well. No problem at all. Centralise that a little bit, I'm sorry. But there we go. There we are. Classic Chilean rice. Plenty more to eat. Excellent.